In this class we will know the selection modes of AutoCAD and learn how to use the basic editing commands. With the previous class file open, we go to our study. There are 3 modes of selection of AutoCAD. The first is the direct mode of selection, where we click directly on the desired object. See that some grips or control points are displayed along the geometry, indicating that it is selected. The second selection mode is window, performed from left to right, encompassing the elements you want to select. Only objects fully contained in the selection area will be selected. To draw a rectangular selection area, click on the graphic area, drop the click. Move the cursor to draw the rectangular selection area and click again to define the dimensions of this area. We can draw a selection area by loop, clicking and dragging the cursor in the graphic area, thus drawing an irregular selection area. Finally, we have the crossing selection mode, performed from right to left. Selecting all objects intercepted by the border of the selection area and which are within this area. It is also possible to make selection rectangular or by loop. Proceeding, we will learn how to perform some basic edits in the project. We'll start with the grips. For this, we select this line. See that along it we find 3 grips, or control points. With the central grip we can modify the position of the object in the project by simply clicking, dragging and dropping the object with a click on the new location, C. Through the grips of the ends, we can modify the dimension of the object by simply clicking, moving the cursor and clicking again to fix the new dimension. We can also enter a value and press Enter to define the new dimension. To undo an action, we must click on Undo. To redo the last undone action, we must click Redo. These actions are useful when we make edits to the project and the result obtained is not the desired. Finally, with the Erase command, present in the Modify panel of the Home tab, we can delete unwanted objects from the project. To do this, simply select the object to delete and click on the command. Another way to use is to activate the command and then select one or more objects that will be deleted, confirming with an Enter. Deleting an object can be done quickly by selecting the element and pressing Delete. And so we concluded our class, where we learned how to select objects and make some simple edits to the project.